Welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is Logitech G915 keyboard TKL, and in this video I am going to show you how to connect this keyboard with our device. Alright, so as you can see, when we open our software of the keyboard, here it says connect your Logitech gear, and if we try to type something with our keyboard, for example in our browser, it doesn't work. So to do this, firstly we have to just open our Bluetooth settings, and then we have to just click the Bluetooth button in the right top corner of the keyboard for a few seconds till it just starts blinking. Now as you can see right here, I have this keyboard in nearby devices. I'm going to connect with this keyboard. Now as you can see, we have to just type on the keyboard following passcode. And our keyboard is now connected. Here we have keyboard setup assistant that we have to quick or just continue. So we have to just click the keyboards that we have, keys that we have here in the steps. We don't have to do this. And now right here in our software of the keyboard, here is our keyboard, and basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.